Vacation is canceled. Maeve missed her flight. But it's no time to be discouraged. A best friend will always come to the rescue. Betty, there you are! Look what I found! Can we build a pool like this on the terrace? No problem, bestie, but it costs money. Money? But I have nothing. All right, we're friends after all. Look at this huge closet. It would make a great pool. It's just gonna take a little bit of work, but it will be worth it. I don't think we'll need the doors. Unscrew the hinges with the screwdriver. Voila! The door can be removed. There, that's much better. Wow, Betty! I didn't know you were so strong! Great, what's next? Let's flip the closet floor. Oh, I can't wait to go swimming! Take your time, Maeve. We still have a lot to do. Of course! This thick film will hold the water in the pool, and the stapler will help to secure it to the closet. Isn't it great? A real home pool! I think we need to add beach decor. As you wish, girl. Woohoo! Let's cut mini surfboards out of cardboard.
Yay!
Wow, let's add colors. Bright colors will lift your spirits. Done! And this is for you. Write something beautiful. Paint summer messages. Awesome! Wow, another one? Fantastic! It's time. Time to decorate the pool. One board, another board. Catch a wave, Betty! I suggest we add some plants. That's a great idea. Plants are so refreshing. Look what I found, girl.
Oh, wow.
I've got a pump. We're gonna blow it all up in here. A couple of minutes and it's ready. You have to do a little work though. Well done, Betty. And Maeve still hasn't finished her donut. Awesome! Now Maeve's porch looks like a luxury beach. And we'll decorate the walls with rainbows. As you wish. We'll put the rainbow on the tape and fill the empty corners with beach stuff. You and I are a great team. We still have so much work to do. Oh no! An emergency call! Hello? Betty here. A new order? Of course, sir. It'll be right there.
What?
Hey, Betty, what about me? Okay, I'll have to take matters into my own hands. Good thing Betty left the materials behind. It's a little hot in here. A waterfall would be nice. Let's cut water out of cardboard. Oh, I could use this bowl. Paint the parts blue. Let's add some foam. That's it. Just a few strokes to go. Draw the outline with a permanent marker. There! Easy peasy! Glue cardboard pieces together like this and hang them on the wall. Here comes the sea! Here comes the sea! Maeve's about to see! And what is a pool without water? Fill the water with a garden hose. What about sea creatures? Plastic salad bowl and corrugated paper make great jellyfish. Isn't it cute? We attach paper ribbons to the salad bowl. These will be the tentacles. I'll call you Huggy and Kissy. Use the fishing line to hang the jellyfish decoration from the ceiling, just like in the real ocean. It's so beautiful. Hello, girls. Come and join me for a beach party. Finally, all the girls are here. That means it's time to party! Let's all go for a swim! Yeah, that's a great idea. Wow, cool! The water's great! Pass it to me, girls! Woohoo! I love it here so much. Guys, we need a pool like this at home. Come on, you have a lot of work to do. Thanks for the invitation, Maeve. We have to go now.
This is where the pool will be. It can be made out of a table. Turn it upside down and wrap it in plastic wrap. Keep going, girls. Come on. That's enough plastic wrap. But maybe make the pool higher? That's better! We did a great job, Polly! High five! Girls, what about me? I want to party too! Oops! Overdid it! This looks more like a fish tank than a swimming pool. Okay, Courtney, come out of the dungeon. We'll have to think of something else. Bummer. That was a good plan. Now we are going to need a lot of cardboard. Huh? You need it too? Okay, let's split the piece in half. Draw big leaves on it and paint them green. All that's left is to cut them out and attach the pieces to the base. Hey, Mary, you forgot something. Oh yeah, paper coconuts. Can't go anywhere without them. This is the perfect palm tree to sit under. This tube will make a great life ring. Get white and red duct tape. Connect the ends of the tube and cover it with white tape. And now add red strips. Done! And don't forget the rope. That's a must for hanging the life ring on the wall. You can never have too many decorations. Let's go on. Glue the plate on top. Now everyone can see that we are serious about this party. And Polly has her own plans for the cardboard. It would be boring at the beach without flamingos. You can't find a live bird anywhere. So you have to draw it and then paint it pink, then cut it out. Done! Polly, what about feathers? Easy! Now the bird looks perfect. Get out of the way! This is going to be a chill zone. We won't be needing the cabinets and shelves for a while. The space looks more and more like a beach. This room is unrecognizable. Add more green stuff. Mary didn't make that palm tree for nothing after all. And this is where the bar will be. Our beach party has the tastiest cocktails. The pink flamingo will live here. Do you like it, buddy? We need glasses. A lot of glasses. In case guests drop by our party. No such thing as too much decor. Every detail has to remind you of the beach. And to make sure this beach is comfortable at night, let's add some lighting. Soon everything here will be all lit up. It's going to be fun. The little pool was a mistake, so we'll make it bigger. Let's take 3 tables and let's cover them with a soft blanket. Be sure to tie the legs with a rope. We want to build a sturdy pool. Polly will take care of that. She is smart and reliable. And then our favorite plastic wrap. Wrap around the tables. Make several layers. Not a drop of water should escape from the pool. So get some sturdy oilcloth and put it on top. Flatten it along the sides and tape it down. We need to decorate it now. We can use everything. Let's start with the rope. Run it down the sides. Get a friend to help. And add some stars. And Courtney has some blue beads. Let's use them too. Now the pool is sturdy and also stylish. The girls did their best. Let's keep decorating. Balloons will make our beach look fun. Hang them on the wall. And Courtney has her own plan for balloons. She's about to show us how to make cup holders. She easily transforms an ordinary balloon into a cute giraffe. Time to fill the pool with water. Get buckets and pots. But Polly has her own strategy. Who did a great job? Me! Oops! I think I need to look for a bigger container. All right, take 2 spoons. Building your own private beach is so fun. The room is ready for vacation. But what about us? We have to look our best for hot girl summer. Why not get makeovers? The Poppets will come to the rescue. They are so easy to turn into sandals. And you can keep one to play with. Girls, let's go to the pool. It's so nice to take a dip in the cool water, and you can bring your own lemonade. Look at that! These inflatable giraffes are doing a great job. You can even swap drinks. Look what else the girls have. snack chips, and it's easy to make them. Take a foam tube, cut it. Dye it pink. Cut out a circle and a square from a piece of golden foam paper. Hot glue the pieces together. And make a sail out of the square. You just need to pierce it with a toothpick. Attach the sail to the boat. The floating tray for treats is ready. Oops! We forgot the pool mattress. You can leave it to Polly. All done, girls! Let's go on a journey across the waves. That's great! Next, let's take some selfies. How can you just ignore this lovely photo area? Girls, this way. Let's take some pictures. The pictures will look like we're in the Maldives. Oh yeah, it looks like it's going to take a while. Working out at the beach is fun. Let's start our aqua aerobics. Come on, girls. Don't be lazy. But Mary has a different opinion. On vacation, you should relax, not stress, especially if there's food right here. No more eating. Instead of a sweet banana, Mary has an exercise tool. Back to work, beach bums. Your beach body won't make itself. Oh, maybe they shouldn't have invited their coach to the party. The finishing touch. We need to let everyone know our beach is open. Let's send and… the guests are already here. Guys, do you have room for me? Of course we do. The friends didn't build such a big pool for nothing, except they didn't order a jacuzzi. Jack, shame on you. We'll have to find somewhere else to relax. Jack has the pool all to himself now. What a smart plan. Don't forget about sunblock. Yes, it's not real sunshine, but who knows? Maybe desk lamps are dangerous too? And now we can tan all we want. That's so nice. Hey, what's up? Oh, my goodness. I think I should have used more sunscreen. The party is going great. Who wants homemade lemonade? Help yourself and dance all night. Cool. Mary's shoes are getting attention. She worked hard on them. Let's see how to make these sandals. Take 2 square poppets. Glue them together. Now put a string through them. That's it. And tie it. Every shoe needs a pair. It will be so soft to walk in these sandals. The beach party ended up very noisy. There's loud music playing and everyone's dancing. And now they are playing games in the pool. If you know how to play volleyball, join in. And it's getting hot on the dance floor. Turn the music up. The guests seem to have forgotten that it's a home beach. And the neighbors aren't happy about this at all. Police! Everyone go home now! Sir, smile! Maybe some lemonade will make the cop a little kinder. Oh yes! No one can resist a cool drink. Let's keep partying. We still have all night, and the friends are up to something. A harmless little prank. Sir, take a swim in our pool. Oh, I see you're having fun here. Guys, how long have we been here? What? Summer's over? Already? The party seems to be dragging on. But is autumn a reason to stop having fun? No way!